Elrond cost guesses for the years 2022, 2025, 2030. We here will basically give you the 10 years organized cost assumptions for Elrond Egld, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Elrond has quite promptly obtained extremely exceptional thought that crypto monetary sponsor are genuinely intrigued, and glancing through the requests like especially is Elrond Egld a savvy hypothesis, or so they generally thought is Egld exceptionally worth buying in 2021. Which certainly is very huge. What will generally be the expense augment for year 2022, 2023, 2025 and 2023? How extremely high could Elrond anytime go in a very significant manner? Elrond essentially past price analysis. According to the latest market data today, the expense of Elrond Egld is 49.82. And Egld is at this point situated 42 in the entire crypto market in a truly significant manner. The stream supply of Egld essentially is 22,542,480 with a market cap of 1,123,155,302 in latest 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 124 in its continuous expense regard, or so they especially thought, expecting we in every practical sense dissect the 24-hour market cap of the Elrond with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap certainly is similarly in diving design. In an exceptionally huge way, Elrond is at this point defying a troublesome time hopping on board with pretty other crypto coins, watching out, or so they for the most part thought. The Egld explicitly is down to by and large almost 529 over the latest 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The coin is at this point showing betting with framing segments for late days. The coin could solid areas for have, yet we don't actually envision that it would a valuable asset in by and large present second in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the latest 30 days, the expense of Egld explicitly has been someplace close change, getting rid of a mind-blowing common expense of -805,394,617 from its continuous expense in every practical sense significant way. This surprising slipping improvement suggests that the coin is in plunge right now, and it might truly be a respectable buy, a very open entryway for quick endeavor. The 90 days cost change is close 68.72, and the expense circumnavigated from a base run-of-the-mill sort of worth of 15,301 to undoubtedly outrageous sort of typical kind of worth of 15,820. In the past 90 days, Elrond sort of is someplace close 65.21. With the most lovely outrageous commonplace expense of the coin generally was around 15,970, and the base regular worth of was around 14,185 in past 4 months or so. They thought Elrond price forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We fundamentally predict future Egld cost assumptions Elrond gauges by applying significant kind of phony advancing in every practical sense, particular analysis on the obvious worth data of Elrond. We truly do our absolute best to by and large assemble most especially outrageous certain data for the Egld coin, which in every practical sense consolidate different components like exceptionally past worth, market cap, volume, and that's just a hint of something larger in an extremely significant manner. If you truly are wanting to in a real sense put assets into computerized money market, really make a highlight. Generally examine our assumptions. Elrond price prediction for 2022. According to our gauge in 2022, the expense of Elrond in every way that really matters should for the most part reach in any event level of 47.83. Amazingly, the Egld cost can show up at a generally outrageous in every practical sense worth of 53.81, with the common trading cost of 52.32. In an unpretentious manner, Elrond price prediction for 2023. According to the guess cost and sort of specific assessment in 2023, the expense of Elrond generally is expected to in every practical sense arrive at basically worth of 74.14. the Egld cost can really show up at a biggest level of 86.88, with the run-of-the-mill trading cost of 76.75 or so. They for the most part thought Elrond price forecast 2024-2025, the expense of Elrond truly is expected to reach at the actual kind of minimal level of 10,953 in 2024, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Elrond cost can show up at a most outrageous level of 12,740, with a regular expense of 11,260 all through 2024. The expense of Elrond explicitly is expected to truly reach essentially level of 16,281 in 2025, in every way that really matters significant way. The Elrond cost can show up at a biggest level of 19,108, with the run-of-the-mill cost of 16,844 all through 2025. In a significant manner, Egld price prediction for 2026 Elrond cost in a real sense is checked to in a real sense show up at a most negligible level of 23,870 in 2026, as per our disclosures. The Egld cost could generally show up at a most really outrageous level of 29,226 with a normal gauge cost of 24,712 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Egld price prediction for 2027, according to our sort of specific assessment on certain worth data of Egld in 2027, the expense of Elrond not set in stone to in every practical sense be at around a base genuinely worth of 35,728. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Elrond esteem truly worth can in every practical sense show up at a restriction of 40,700, with the commonplace trading especially worth of 36,963. In amazingly Elrond price prediction for 2028, the expense of 1 Elrond Egld should explicitly reach basically level of 51,709 in 2028. The Egld cost can basically show up at a biggest level of 62,036, with the run-of-the-mill cost of 53,188. All through 2028, which sort of is genuinely huge. Elrond price prediction forecast for 2029, according to the check and significant especially concentrated assessment in 2029, the expense of Elrond in every practical sense should generally reach in any event in every way that really matters worth of 76,905 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Egld cost can truly show up at a biggest worth of 90,063. With the common kind of worth of 79,564, in an essentially significant manner. Elrond Egld price prediction for 2030, the expense of Elrond generally should reach at the actual sort of the most unworth of 116,993 in 2030. In every practical sense, huge way. The Elrond cost could show up at a generally kind of outrageous extremely worth of 131,747. With the commonplace trading cost of 120,176 all through 2030. In a quite huge manner. Elrond price prediction for 2031 Elrond cost certainly is figure to basically show up essentially possible level of 160